Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you, legit Cash App games that pay real money. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're looking for a way to pull in some actual spendable cash right into your Cash App account while playing games on your phone, well, there are some fantastic options and legitimate options out there to help you do exactly that. Now, the secret sauce to making this whole setup work smoothly is having a fully verified Cash App account ready to go. Now, because many of these platforms pay out through PayPal or direct bank transfers. Now, you simply hook those up to your Cash App account and you can seamlessly shift your winnings over whenever you want. Now, let's dive into the first option that we have. Now, in this case, we want to start with a massive fan favorite here, Papaya Games. Now, this platform is an absolute blast because it acts as a central hub where you can pick and choose the exact style of games you feel like playing on any given day, racking up points that cleanly converts into real money. Now, right along those same line is going to be Bubble Cash, which is in the same realm here, which is an incredibly popular skill-based bubble shooter game that iPhone users absolutely love. Now, it has a stellar reputation here because it relies entirely on your actual aiming skills rather than random luck. Now, meaning the better you get at popping bubbles, the more rewards you can security transfer over. Now, in this case, if you love competitive rush or the competitive competition rush here, well, you should definitely check out what we call the heavy hitters here in the skill game tournament space. Now, like for example, we have Blackout Bingo, Solitaire Cube, and Domino Scope. Now, these apps are brilliantly designed for fast-paced head-to-head matches against real players. Now, while you can play for free to sharpen your skills, you can also jump into high-ranking tournaments to compete for actual cash prizes. Now, it is incredibly rewarding feeling to see your practice pay off as you climb to the leaderboard and stack up real prizes. Now, for those days that when you just want to sit back and relax with casual gameplay, well, in this case, we have what we call Swag Bucks and Quick Rewards, which in this case are absolute gold mines here. Now, Swag Bucks here is amazing because it gives you so many different ways to earn points called SP. Now, whether you are playing casual arcade games, answering fun trivia, or watching quick ads, Quick Rewards is equally phenomenal. And has a legendary track record here, having paid out over $7 million to its user. Now, it is perfect if you love rotating through many small mini games and wrapping up quick bonus tasks on the side. Now, you can also steadily grow your earnings by tapping into what we call Inbox Dollars and specialized game testing apps. Now, Inbox Dollars here is a long-running, super trusted platform where where doing just a few fun mini games daily lets you continuously stack up dollars, stacking that alongside reward apps, and that literally pays you to test drive and review brand new mobile games in an incredibly easy way to maximize your monthly payout velocity. Now, just to be honest here, and just to keep your expectation on the real or the reality of it, well, you always want to make sure you cash out your earnings as soon as you hit the minimum threshold rather than letting them sit. Now, it's also wise to remember that while these are awesome rewarding side hustles for extra pocket money, you shouldn't expect to make thousands overnight. Now, if you ever see an ad promising live $100 instantly, just keep right past it because those are always scams. But if you stick to these verified platforms, you get genuinely fun, stress-free way to turn your spare time into real cash app rewards. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.